Hi, I'm Mr. Huber, and in this video we're going to talk about exercise 1bi, this one here. 6 times 7 to the 3x plus 1 is equal to 1.2. So again, we use the logarithm and we apply it to both sides, but to the whole left-hand side and to the whole right-hand side. So this is what we get. Now, the logarithm of a product is the sum of the logarithms. So we're going to write it up like this. Then we can subtract ln of 6 on both sides, and we can take out the exponent. But please be careful. We subtract ln 6, that's easy, but please be careful to have these brackets. They're very important. Don't forget those brackets. Then, once you've done this, you can multiply out or distribute the ln 7. So this is what we do. And I'm going to write it 3 times ln 7 is equal to x plus ln 7. Why do I write it like this? Why don't I write 3x times ln 7? Because 3 times ln 7, this is just a number. You could work it out. Well, 3 times ln 7, just a number, 5.84. You could work with 5.84. And this is just a number. And this thing is just a number. So ln 7, let's work that out. That would be 1.95 approximately. Then ln 1.2 minus ln 6, that would be, this whole thing would be minus 1.61 approximately. So what do you have here? You have this 5.84x plus 1.95 is equal to minus 1.61. Well, that would be easy to solve, okay? You just subtract this number, then you divide by this number. But we don't want to work it out like this because we don't want to work with rounded values. But you could do it like this. You would maybe lose 1 mark, okay? Because I want the exact value. But if you don't do it like this, you just subtract this on both sides. And you don't work it out. You don't work it out just yet. And then you have a number times x is another number. Well, that's in fact this stage. 5.84x is equal to minus 1.61 minus 1.95. Now you divide by this number. That's what we do. We divide by this number. Now this is the exact value, the exact solution. And if you wanted to know an approximate solution, you just type it in. So let's see whether this checks out. Minus 1.61 minus 1.95 over 5.84. These are all rounded values. So minus 1.61 minus 1.95 divided by 5.84, that's minus 0.61 approximately, and that's what I got. But we don't want to use rounded values. We want this exact expression, and then we work it out. But please note, you could always work out the numbers and do it like this. You would probably risk 1 mark, but if you can't do it like this, you could do it like I've just shown you here. But please try to get it to understand how to do it like this and do it properly. Okay, I hope it wasn't too difficult. See you in the next one.